today was put together with EcoStyle, CAPS, and Goodwill. So we worked together. CAPS, had put on the week for the professional style and image series. Goodwill had pulled was all the clothes provided, and EcoStyle was the ones who pulled the clothes out, organized the outfits, and put together the fashion show. Well, I have done a couple fashion shows with Off Sustainability, and they had got word of the CAPS wanting to do a fashion show as well, and passed on EcoStyle's name, and we got involved that way. And we've worked with Goodwill in the past as well. Most of the models were just some of our friends. One of the girls from EcoStyle is in a sorority, so she kind of talked to her sorority sisters and their fraternity partners. And a lot of them were willing to help us and very generous with their time.